What up guys, MB back with another cinematic tutorial, and today we have a clean drop fade to go over, so let's jump in. First up, moisten up your canvas to section with ease. You want to make sure both sections are proportional and clip away the top portion so it won't interfere with your blend. Next up, create your baseline. Since it is a drop fade, make sure to drop it towards the occipital area. We do this so the specific area can stay low and dark. Now all you want to do is remove the excess hair left behind. You can also use a shaver if you'd like more gradients on the fade. I personally love this look, but you can skip it if your clients have sensitive skin. With your number 3 open, reduce the bulk all around. Try flicking out so you don't get rid of all the dark portion we're trying to keep if you're going for a tight blend. Next, open up the lever and create a 1/2 inch guideline throughout the entire head. Again, since it is a drop fade, you're going to have to use more corners while following that baseline. Close up the lever and hit that baseline halfway through the guideline. You now want to gradually open up the lever and scoot up a tad bit on the fade. Your trimmer will help erase the baseline if it's still visible. Using your 1.5 guard with your lever open, create a full inch guideline now. Be easy with it and don't dig in. With your number 2 open, just flow through 1/2 inch above the 1.5 you just made. This is simply just to polish out the dark area. With your 1/2 guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. And with your lever open, same guard, go up another 1/2 inch. Be careful not going up too high while using the 1/2 guard. Next, with your 1 guard open, just break the line within the dark and light area. If you need to play with the lever, feel free to. You guys, I do come back in detail. In this case, our 1.5 was needed and clipper over comb to top it all off. Finally, all that's left to do is open up the lever and hit that last line you're able to see. Use plenty of corners here and don't hesitate to hit those dark areas. As you can see, detailing is the most important step to a fade, so take your time and be patient with it. I now use blending shears to devolumize the parietal ridge area. I do suggest you do each step as you go. In this case, for video purposes, I concentrate on one half and then the other. I also appreciate all the support everyone gives the channel. If you've learned anything or just enjoyed the content itself, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an upload. If you're wondering where to get these translucent guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com and grab a set. I now use my FX3s to line up our C-cups. These trimmers are crazy sharp and they're outstanding for lineups and designs. If you guys need a discount code for any Babyliss product, make sure to use MartyBlendz and save big. Okay, my client did want some bulk off, but not too much, so we decided to cut off a slight bit of volume on those curls. The first thing I do is V-section and get rid of any hair that could potentially hang off to the side or interfere with our blend. Touch up anything you feel that needs work. Remember, this is your craft and you should always aim to perfect it. Towards the end, you always want to prep your model and make sure that client is satisfied. Guys, here's the final product on today's drop fade. If you did enjoy this, make sure to subscribe, like the video if you want more like these, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any video. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.